Every night at exactly 10 p.m., a small restaurant received the same order. One bowl of hot chicken soup. The order always came from the same address. The strange thing was that everyone knew the house had been abandoned for years. At first, the restaurant staff thought it was a prank, but the customer always paid online. The delivery instructions were simple. Leave it at the front door. Do not knock. One rainy night, a new delivery driver became curious. After placing the soup on the porch, he hid behind a tree and waited. Nothing happened. Just as he was about to leave, the bowl of soup seemed to slide into the darkness by itself. But nobody came outside. The driver froze. The next morning, he told everyone at the restaurant. Nobody believed him. The owner decided to investigate. He placed the soup on the porch and waited. And again, the bowl disappeared into the darkness. Gathering his courage, the owner stepped inside. The house was empty. Dust covered the floors. Spiderwebs hung from the ceiling. No furniture, no people, nothing. Then he noticed something in the dining room. Dozens of empty soup bowls. Beside them sat an old photograph. It showed an elderly woman smiling while holding a bowl of soup. Written on the back were the words, "My favorite meal, delivered every night." The owner later discovered that the woman had lived alone in the house and had passed away years earlier. After that night, the orders stopped forever. No one ever found out who had been placing them, or who had been taking the soup inside. And to this day, whenever it rains, the restaurant phone sometimes rings at exactly 10 p.m. But when someone answers, there is only silence.